Tumaba. Nahuli rin si Para. 8. Pelea. And our lovely round count.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga bisaya diha. Donnie Nietes, 4 Division World Champion. Nakaharap ang knockout artist ng Mexico at nagsabi na siya daw ang pinakaunang Mexican na tatapos sa paghahari ng Pinoy Champ. Yan ang pag-usapan natin sa videong ito mga pre. Pero kung bago ka sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga videos ko. March 28, 2015 sa Araneta Coliseum. Naglaban ang ating kababayan na si Donnie Nietes na may kartadang 34 wins, 1 loss at 4 draws kontra sa knockout artist ng Mexico na si Gilbert Para na may boxing record na 19 wins, 2 defeats at 17 dito via KO. Sa interview nila bago ang laban, nangako pa itong si Gilbert Para na siya daw ang pinakaunang Mexican na tatapos at tatalo kay Nietes at para kunin ang titulo na WBO at the ring junior flyweight. Sabi pa niya, I came here to win. Everything has a beginning. Si Nietes mga pre, bago ang laban kay Gilbert Para, ay 11 o 11 na Mexican boxer na ang nakalaban niya at lahat ito ay tinalo niya. Ang sagot naman ni Nietes sa pinagsasabi ni Para ay target daw niya ng knockout. Sabi pa niya, go for knockout tayo. Mayabang eh. I-knockout natin sa weigh-in, parehong tumimbang ang dalawa ng 108 pounds. Kilala itong si Nietes bilang pinakamatagal na Filipino World Champion. At sabi pa ni Nietes ay tiwala siyang hindi kakayanin ni Para ang lakas niya. Magagaya din siya sa mga kababayan niyang Mexicano na nakalaban niya na puro niya tinalo. Ito ang ika-6 na pagdepensa ng titulo niya na nakuha niya sa isang Mexicano din na si Ramon Garcia Hirales noong 2011. Sa mismong laban ay makikitang mas agresibo ang ating kababayang kampiyon. Bumabanat ng mga kombinasyon habang si Gilbert Para ay pailan-ilang suntok lang ang binibitawan. Mas madalas umaatras at dumidepensa lang, tila nag-aabang ng makaisa. Makatama ng solidong one-punch knockout niya. Pero sa round 8 ay siya ang naisahan ni Nietes. Natamaan siya ng solidong kanan at bagsak ito.
This is jab is almost his path. Oh, he got it. Beautiful left. Beautiful left. The crowd is loaded.
Nakabango naman at tumatakbo na lang ito. Bago mag-umpisa ang round 10 ay pumara na itong si Gilbert Para. Umayaw na sa laban at panalo si Nietes via 9th round RTD o referee technical decision at napanatili ang pagiging kampiyon. Halina't sabay nating panoorin ang highlights ng maaksyong labang Donnie Nietes versus Gilbert Para.
All time, protect yourself at all time. Good luck to both of you. Mouthpiece? Mouthpiece?
Sinabi ni Donnie, he wants to be world champion for 10 years, so he's 3 years to go. Little problem for Donnie Nietes, but not an insurmountable problem. Good body shot by Nietes.
Nietes has never lost to a Mexican fighter, Ronnie.
In fact, he's gone to their hometowns and beaten them. Tatlong tama.
Yun ang itinumban ni Nietes.
Rematch, 9th round.
Magandang step back maneuver ni Donnie Nietes. Oh, good right hand by Nietes. He caught Para with that right hand.
There goes the bell, end of round number 1.
Shown mula sa unang round. Nietes coming in with a right to the body. Na sidestep naman ni Para. There's the big left. Pero madulas si Para, pero may kanan si Nietes in that sequence. Good right hand by Para.
Even sa ABS-CBN, lalo na sa boxing because he's supported Pinoy pride all the way.
Ni Para. Para trying to flick that left.
Nietes waiting for the opening, looping right hand. Takbo ng itong Para eh. Jab, trying to work behind the jab. Looping
Good right hand.
Pero yung punches ni Nietes didn't catch.
Less than 10 seconds to go. Good exchange.
Oh. There goes the bell of round number 2. Good left. Looping left.
Umaatake si Nietes using that right hand, pero maganda rin ang mga counter ni Hill kapatid, the Santiago brothers at the Big Dome para sa Pinoy Pride 30.
Good body shots by Nietes.
Oh, good right hand by Nietes. Another right hand by...
Ng jab niya. Nietes trying to cut the distance, waiting for Para to throw the punches. So
Trouble. Very elusive.
overhand right by Nietes. Donnie took a risk.
Aksyon mula sa nakaraang round. Nietes
Good
working with that right hand. Trying to pin a very elusive Para along the rope. Masyadong madulas itong si Gilberto Para. Movie on April 15. Pin. Right hand.
To the right. He caught with the
nakita mo, lumalayo na agad siya. Remember, he is the challenger. Oh, big left, big left.
And a right hook by Donnie Nietes. Another right and a left, and body shots by Nietes.
Of his reputation as a knockout artist, there's a right hand from Para. Can catch Nietes coming in.
Oh,
Right hand.
beautiful right hand by Nietes.
Record. Good left to the body though by Para.
Left eye.
Final 10 seconds.
Oh, good exchange. May kaliwa si Para pero may kanan naman si Nietes. And aksyon mula sa ika-4 na round.
Oh,
Big left
beautiful left.
mula kay
Very big
Nietes.
left.
Another left mula kay Donnie. Right hand by Donnie Nietes. At ayun, takbo agad si akala ko Pinoy big boxing eh. Which is what is taking sidestep naman ni Nietes. Oh, good attack to the body by Para.
Yung missed with the right hook.
Oh, good left by Donnie.
And a good left in return by Para. Left to the body. Right uppercut and a left hook by Nietes. Good combination again by Nietes. 1-2.
Nietes may want to work the body to slow down the legs. Oh, good body shots. Oh, good right hand.
Right hook by Nietes. Para tries to fight back. Just in time. Looping left hand. Final 10 seconds. Right uppercut. There goes the bell. End of the round.
Aksyon mula sa round number 5. Nietes naipit sa lubid pero may kaliwa sa bodega. May kanan naman si Para. Also,
Oh, beautiful left hook. Oh, we have several bananas here. Let's split them.
Ano, siya rin ang nagsasuffer. Yes. Right hand.
Let him go.
Couple of flurries, but most on the good punch by Para. And Nietes says, come on.
Nietes acknowledge, huh? Oh, right to the body. By
Good
Nietes.
hit. And Para was rocked by that punch. Nietes goes after him.
Itong si Gilberto Para. End of the round. Aksyon mula sa nakaraang round. Ito ang atake ni Gilberto Para.
At the start of the round, he really was very, very aggressive. But
Ang
then,
daming sinalo ni Nietes doon sa round na yon. Nietes came back. Good right hand by Donnie Nietes.
round 7. Para, it seems.
This is round number 7. Para enjoyed a good round.
Good right uppercut. Clubbing right hand.
Side.
Medyo mahirapan na siya.
Oh, wild with the left. Pero may kaliwa Para eh. Matibay din yung niya in a way. But sooner or later, Para will have to open up. End of the round. Aksyon mula sa round number 7. Nietes with a chopping right hand. Right to the body mula kay Donnie Nietes. Yes, the looping right hand. Left to the body mula kay Nietes. Nietes
Move if I need to.
finding the mark. Ha?
Tell me to move.
Eto
Round
na.
of 8.
Round. Ay, maganda kung makaka-counter si Nietes kasi medyo wild si Para when he lunges in. Oh, good right hand. Good right hand by Donnie.
Good right to the body. Stinging jab by, Nietes' jab is almost his pass. Oh, he got it. Beautiful left. Beautiful left.
The crowd is loaded. Here we go. Here we go. Donnie Nietes looking to finish. Hilberto para.
Takbo and holding. Oh, look at us.
Bumagsak na si Hilberto para. Nietes looking to finish it off.
Another body shot by Nietes.
Pusher. And the crowd booing para. Aksyon mula sa round number 8. Look at that left-right combination. Dumaba. Nahuli rin si Para. Nakakuha na ng knockdown sa round number 8 courtesy of a left-right combination. He did come out strong in round number.
Good body shot by Nietes. And he was
Unahan na niya because he has a more powerful. Ano naman habang Nietes?
Nietes going after Para. Para is going after him.
And everything started.
Good right
when
again.
Nietes started. Ano naman?
Right hand. Oh, he's more.
Aksyon sa round number 9. Tinan niyo kanan. Huli.
And look at this. I mean, the saliva came out of his mouth.
It was set up by the jab.
Oh, yes. Sobrang ganda yung sana.
At umayaw na.
Wala na.
Itinigil na ang laban. Donnie
He was so badly
ang sama.
Sama.
Ay, at sarado na, Ronnie.
Sarado.
The eye was closed at the
Okay,
end of the round.
James and Mark Fingers up. They loved it. And so did we. Sobrang galing. Oh,
Ayun, no?
Kanan.
Ito ang kanan na nag-change ng
Ayun.
complexion. Look at our right hand.
And still WBO light flyweight champion of the world from the Philippines, Donnie Nietes.
Shout out kay Rixiskin Lumungsod, James Miao from Albuera, Leyte, Milbert Maynupas from Aglayan, Bukidnon, Jeff Ang, John Sena, Jose Gora Jr., Skylar Kabahog from Mandawi, Cebu, Kring Kring Espanyola. Shout out din daw sa tatay niya na si Sergio Espanyola from Antipolo City. Ingat kayo dyan pre at maraming salamat sa panonood.